Hey guys, it's Eric Transu here with Real Estate Lead Ninjas and the creator of Reply Ninja AI. I've been getting a lot of questions recently from people that are seeing my social media posts and ads and YouTube videos asking me, Eric, what is Reply Ninja AI exactly? So I wanted to create this video to explain it to you exactly what it is and how it works. Now, Reply Ninja AI, I think from a real high level is just a CRM, okay? But it's not built to replace Real Geeks or CINC or Chime, Lofty, KVCore, Follow Up Boss, or any of those. I like to think of Reply Ninja AI as a middleman CRM that you could use to generate leads and then qualify those leads and figure out what's real and what's not real. Now let's use an example of Facebook leads. Okay, let's say you generate 100 leads and at a 3% conversion rate, only 3 are good. So you got 97 that are bad leads. If you were to dump all 100 of those leads into your KVCore system, and then blast out an email, let's say a newsletter, or just some mass email to announce a listing you have or an open house. If you got 97 potentially bad leads in there, you're going to have stuff bouncing. You're going to have people unsubscribing. You're going to have people replying to you, hey, I never signed up for this list. What is this? And now you've got a mess in your main CRM. So rather than just importing the good ones that you knew were good with a real email, real phone number, and want to hear from you, you just dumped everybody in there. And now you've sacrificed your main email address that you're using to send out offers, to communicate with clients, and to communicate with other agents. So I like to use this CRM, Reply Ninja AI, as my middleman CRM, figure out who's real and who's not real from my leads, and then you could take them and do whatever you want, whether you want to push them to Follow Up Boss or KVCore or whatever you're using. Or if you want to use Reply Ninja as your main CRM, you could do that as well, but you do not have to if you're more comfortable in something that your brokerage is paying for or that you're paying for outside of your brokerage. So at the basic level, Reply Ninja is what you see on this screen here. There's a lot of features, a lot of customizations you could do, probably more than any other real estate CRM out there. But I'm going to show you at the basic level, if you were to sign up with Reply Ninja AI today, this is what I advise you to do. So the first thing that you will do is you will launch a Facebook ad, okay? So let me go ahead and show you how that's done. So inside Reply Ninja, you're going to go down to Ninja Ads. You're going to click Ninja Ads down here on this left side. You're going to click Launch a New Campaign. You're going to choose your platform, which in this case is going to be Facebook, and then you're going to click on the Ninja Approved Ads. I would advise, as of right now, and this is right now, it's May 26, 2024, I would do the basic homes list ad number 2. So all we're going to do is we're going to select that. We're going to type in the city name that we want to target. So in this case, it's going to be Long Beach. And then you want to put the average price point for the area you're targeting, and I'm just going to put $850,000 in here. Okay, now we have our campaign type of lead form. Daily budget, I would recommend at least $10 a day, but in this example, I'll just put 5. And then you're going to put a website here. This is the website that the lead is going to be taken to when they click on the thank you page at the end of the lead form. So inside of Reply Ninja, you will be given a funnel inside of here, which is a survey funnel right here. And you'll just take this URL here, homes. Whatever domain you're using in Reply Ninja, and you will paste that right here into the website name. You'll choose a radius. I'm going to choose 20. You could choose that depending on how comfortable and how easy it is to get around your city or neighborhoods. So depending on how far you're comfortable going out, you can make this larger, or you could condense it if you want. 15 is the lowest you can go though. Next thing we could do is click optional info. I like to rename my lead forms, so I'm going to edit lead form name, and I'm going to just type in homes list Long Beach, and I'm going to put a date here just so I know when this was created. In the location, it will automatically run this for 20 miles around the location of your Reply Ninja account, but I like to go into cities and just type that in again manually. So we'll just type in Long Beach here and Long Beach, California. Make sure you're always selecting the right city because sometimes there's the same city names across the country. Add media. What you'll want to do here is upload media for a listing you have or listing you have permission to use from your brokerage. If you don't have a listing that you could use, whether it's, getting from someone else in your brokerage or office or your own, I would suggest doing a map image of what's available in the area. And I have other videos training on how to do that. I'm just going to select client media for this, and I'll just choose a map that I've previously used. Add text is going to be here if you need to change anything, but otherwise it's just going to pre-populate city name and average price from what we typed in above right here, Long Beach and the 850,000. So you don't need to worry about the ad text. That will automatically fill out, but if you needed to change anything, you could right there. And then the privacy policy, this is also given to you inside of Reply Ninja. So I'm just going to copy this URL out of here, paste it here. And then all we need to do is scroll back up and click Launch Campaign. So I'm going to click Launch Campaign here. And now what's going to happen is that ad that we just created is going to push into your Facebook account. So you will need to create a Facebook ad account the first time you do this. But after that, you do not need to go into Facebook to launch these. And there's other templates, as you could see. And I'm always advising Reply Ninja AI users on what's working right now and what's not working. For instance, that map image is working really well for a lot of the accounts that I'm seeing across Reply Ninja AI right now. So I'm recommending that people either switch over to that or they start split testing with that one to see if it could outperform what they're currently running. This takes about a minute or a minute and a half to fully publish to your Facebook ad account, but then it's done from there. So now you can see Reply Ninja. We launched this ad, which is the lead form, and we have our thank you page, which goes to that landing page survey, which I showed you looks like this, okay? And basically, they'll just go ahead and click through and fill out this survey. How many bedrooms are you looking for? And these questions are all customizable. So if you need to change, pricing here or number of bedrooms or number of baths to fit your area, all that is easy to do right inside of Reply Ninja. Once they make it all the way through this survey, they're going to be taken to a scheduling page where they could book a call with you directly on your calendar. You can hook up your Outlook or Google Calendar right in Reply Ninja so that it will show your correct availability to the lead so they could book something on your calendar. Once they pick a date and select that, they will be taken to a thank you page that you could add your reviews here if you want. And then they will start to get reminders here as it gets closer to their appointment. You will also get reminders telling you, hey, you have an appointment with Eric tomorrow at 3 p.m. or whatever it may be. You could customize how often these reminders go out. You could change whether they go out by email, text message, voicemail drop. You could add all three. I don't use a whole lot of voicemail drops, but that is an option within the system. If they don't show up, there's tags you could add to them that will try to reach out to them again and reschedule that appointment. So all of that works within the system. I do have some people that have asked recently, hey, I don't want to have them, see a calendar like this after they after they fill out the survey. I just want to reach out to them directly. So I have created a new page like this. Thanks, I'm reviewing the details you submitted, and we'll give you a call soon to discuss the next steps. So you can move these around, and you could add this as the thank you page for the survey if you do not want to have them booking on your calendar and instead you want to just reach out manually. So that is an option there. Very easy to customize. So we've got all that, right? Now let's jump back over here. You could see that this ad has launched, right? So we've launched this $5 a day ad. The only things you need to do once you launch an ad is you go into settings here. And then we are going to scroll down and click on integrations and Facebook form field mapping. So you will see this right here is our new form that we just launched, or the ad, right? And we need to map those fields to Reply Ninja. So it already knows the full name maps to full name inside of Reply Ninja. Phone number maps to phone, email maps to email. But I do ask a question on that lead form. Do you need to sell a home? Or at least that's one of the questions in this template we just launched. So I just want to come here and I want to match this up with a field in Reply Ninja. And you will not see this many fields in yours, but this is a test account, so I do have a lot of stuff in here. But I'm just going to match it up to Facebook lead form. Do you need to sell? And then I'm going to click save. Okay. So now we have a check mark next to that form. So that form that's on Facebook and our Facebook ad is now integrated in Reply Ninja. And now when someone fills out that lead form, we know how to map those fields over to their contact record in Reply Ninja. The last thing we need to do is go into automations, and we are going to go to this one right here, this homes list, edit this. We're going to open this up, and there's a trigger up here, and the trigger is just a way of starting this automation. You don't have to worry about what's in this automation. Only thing you need to do is come to this first one here, Facebook lead form submitted. And what we're going to do right here, it's going to say, okay, in form, like basically what form am I looking at to trigger this automation? And I'm going to want to come in here, and we'll just want to find our homes list ad that we just launched. And this is why I like to put a date on it. So you can see right here, homes list Long Beach 5/26/24. I'm just going to select that. And now Reply Ninja is going to wait. If someone submits info on that form, it's going to trigger this automation. And like I said, this automation is then going to send them to the landing page. It's going to send you alerts that you have a new lead, what their name, what their phone number is, what their email address is. Now, the last thing for Reply Ninja, if they do not click on this survey within 3 minutes and fill it out, we are going to send them to a chat bot that is then going to try to qualify and gather information for that lead with the goal of booking an appointment on your calendar as well. Now, it's hard for me to show you that without actually going to Facebook and seeing my ad there that we just launched. So I'm going to trigger this a different way just so you could see it. So I'm going to go to getreplyninja.com and I'm going to go to demo. I'm just going to say I'm a real estate agent here, and this is a demo version of it, so it's going to look a little bit different, but at least this will show you kind of how the bot works, okay? So, and then I'm just going to put my phone number in here. Let's see here. Okay, and I'm going to say I agree, and we're going to test this bot. Okay, let me go up and pull my text messaging. So my iMessage is up here on my computer so we could see it. Okay, you can see the message that just came through here on my text message. Eric, thanks for helping me test the bot. The bot will ask you a few qualifying questions and then attempt to schedule an appointment with you on a fake calendar so you could see the bot features. Are you ready to begin? Like I said, this is just a demo of the bot, so it would not start here. I'll show you the spot that it would actually start on once they submitted the information on the ad that we launched through Reply Ninja. So now this, I tried to get it to look natural, so this response is not going to come back immediately. It's going to look like someone's actually thinking it through and typing. I tried to keep it between 15 and 25 seconds, as you can see here. Great to hear, Eric. Just out of curiosity, will you be needing to sell your current home before you transition into a new one? So these are some of the questions that will be asked by the bot once they get into that qualification sequence. This can be updated by you. We work on this together if you were to join Reply Ninja AI, and we customize this to your current situation. So I'm going to say, yes, I do need to sell. Okay, that's going to send that back. Within Reply Ninja, all this is going to be tracked in the contact record for this lead. And you could trigger off this stuff as well. So for instance, if they say yes, you could have a trigger that says, hey, if they reply yes to the question they need to sell, shoot me a text message that I have a potential seller within the system. Okay, so you could trigger off any of these answers. Understood, Eric. Selling your current home can certainly influence your plans. When do you feel you might be ready to start this new chapter with a new home? I need to purchase a home by the end of the summer. Okay. So as you can see, a lot of those CRMs I mentioned earlier, KVCore, Chime, Lofty, Follow Up Boss, they all have smart plans in there that you could, when a lead comes in, you could send an automated message. But once that message, or once that person replies, a lot of times the conversation doesn't keep going. It just stops until you're back in front of your computer or you have time to open up the app on your phone to continue it. Now you can see it says here, that's a great timeline, Eric's, and it spelled my name wrong, you see, intentionally to make it look more natural. Have you had a chance to think about which neighborhoods or areas you'd like to focus on for your new home? And then it corrects it with Eric. And then say, I'm thinking of Seal Beach or Long Beach. I'm getting a job in Irvine in July. Is that a far drive? Okay. So as you see, we're responding with the bot, okay, or responding to the bot. The bot is then taking that message inside a Reply Ninja. It's wrapping it with some prompts, sending it off to ChatGPT to generate a response, and then it sends it back through Reply Ninja to the lead. Like I said, all of this is stored in the contact record for the lead, so you could go back at any time if this conversation were to stop and see everything that is going on. So it says, Seal Beach and Long Beach are both beautiful areas. The drive to Irvine from there can range from 30 minutes to an hour depending on traffic. Will you be purchasing with cash, or will you need financing or a loan for your new home? I will be needing a loan. Do you have a lender you can recommend? So let's see what the bot says here. And I'm getting messages on my watch, guys, every time they reply. Reply Ninja is letting me know that I have a new response. So none of this will fall through the cracks. You'll always know what's going on within the system. Okay, so it says, I'll be needing a loan. Do you have a lender you can recommend? Like I said, this is now going back to Reply Ninja, getting wrapped into ChatGPT and then sent back. And it says, absolutely. We work with several reputable lenders who can help you get pre-approved for a loan. It's a crucial step before we start looking at homes. Would you like to set up a 15-minute phone appointment to discuss this further? How does Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. sound to you? Now, Reply Ninja is pulling from the Google Calendar connected to this account here. So I'm going to say, Wednesday is tough for me. Do you have anything else available? And what it's going to do, it's going to take that back. It's going to go back to my calendar and see what else is available to offer this lead. And in this case, me doing the demo, right? So let's see what it comes back with here. So you see, it came back with, certainly, Eric. How about Thursday or Friday? We have openings from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on both days. Would one of those work better? I'll say yes. Thursday at 9:30 works for me. Okay, now this is just a demo, guys, right now, so it's not booking on my actual calendar. But if this was a real lead, yes, at this point it would book on your calendar. You would start to get alerts, and they would start to get alerts as reminders as you moved closer to this appointment date that they chose. Okay, but like I said, this is just the demo version, so it's not actually going to book on the calendar here. If you do want to test this out, guys, so you can see right here, great, Eric, I've scheduled you for Thursday at 9:30 to discuss your loan options with one of our trusted lenders. We'll send you a confirmation email with all the details. Looking forward to helping you with your home purchase journey. And then since this is my account, it's just letting me know that someone's completed the demo bot. But then it says, thanks for testing the bot. Out of curiosity, would you be interested in learning how a bot like this could help generate and qualify leads for your business, potentially saving you time? Obviously, none of that would be sent to the lead. This is just because we went through that demo workflow, which you could go through on your own at getreplyninja.com/demo. If you would like to join my school group, you could go to Real Estate Lead Ninjas. I can almost spell ninjas.com/school. And that will take you to my school group to get more trainings, just like this one that you saw. I also have a classroom here where I'll be adding more videos similar to this on generating leads as a real estate agent. You could go ahead and join my school group, whether you are a member of Reply Ninja AI or not. If you have any questions about Reply Ninja AI, happy to hop on a strategy call with you. I'll put links below this video on YouTube. If you're not watching it on YouTube, just reach out to me. I'm pretty easy to find. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.